Page 54, this is a 3-minute technique on a broken thirds and a rhythm study. So on the broken thirds, again, remember a C chord is here. Well, when you do them all at the same time, it's called a blocked chord, blocked. If you do them in any other pattern, it's a broken, as in not blocked. Here, it's here, one note at a time, that's broken. And that's really what we're doing. It's not just a C chord, because we can keep going up. It's broken. So forth, that's really, I'm just trying to give you an idea of what's going on here. In the left hand, it's you're starting with the upper note. It doesn't matter what the pattern is, it's a broken chord. So what they're after here is, with the right hand, you're in this position to start, and we're just going to move up. Your hand is nice, relaxed, you're not grabbing a ball or anything, you're just nice and relaxed, and you're going to push each note down. And I let they say don't let the wrist sag as you do this here, but I let the wrist collapse a little bit because I use weight to push the note down, and I don't want to play with a stiff wrist. Let it collapse a little bit. I can exaggerate it a little bit because it's hard to see from the camera up above, but it's here. All I'm doing is just transferring weight from finger to finger. It's here to here, and I'm doing it, collapsing the wrist a little bit. And then you move to the next one, do the same thing. Don't worry about rhythm or nothing. Now we're just interested in this. And you can keep going on up indefinitely, it doesn't matter. And when you're ready, turn around and come back down. Do the same in the left hand. They're starting here. Whatever. Well, do it in both hands at the same time. Let's see, let's start here. That's okay. If you're going to do both hands at the same time, it would help. It sounds better if you'll start with the same chord. They're starting here, but if you're going to do that, start on an F on both here, and then you can do that. You get the idea? That's it. Just nice and slow, whatever it takes. Transfer the weight, let the wrist collapse a little bit with each note. Just don't keep it down here as you play. We don't want that. I mean, Horowitz did that sometimes. That was his technique. Rhythm study, we're dealing with tied notes because we're adding what we call syncopation. Syncopation is when you're throwing off the feel of the beat just a little bit. So here, look at this. It's throw off quarter notes. So if I take out the tie and play all the notes, it's here. We're going up and down. Isn't this fun? Well, we're just tying the two middle notes together. That's all that is. And they're doing the same thing in the left hand. Try both hands at the same time, but again, start with the same chord. Like, I don't care what chord, just start with it. Start with a D, just for fun, and do that. Whatever, just for practice. And again, I'm letting the wrist collapse a little bit with each note. How fast you go is up to you. It doesn't matter to me how fast you go. What's important is that you get a feel for this, letting the weight into the keys, and a loose, flexible wrist, and the hands are relaxed, the fingers are relaxed, we're all relaxed, sort of, and yeah.